spring, we show a sensor which was featured with a battery. This is the next generation. This is a sensor which measures the wear of the side parts by checking the distance to the crossbars from the lower trough. So the energy support is done by solar cells. Inside there is our self-developed LoRa module, and the main part is the sensor itself, which is placed here on that point. This is the sensor part which will be scrubbed away from the plastic, and this sensor is a separate part which can be replaced. For example, if the change will be replaced, customers only need to replace this sensor, and all the rest of the technology is to use continuously. And if you see here, inside there are up to 4 layers which will be disconnected by the lower crossbar, and these 4 layers giving clear statements where we are in the percentage of lifetime of our product.